Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most important features in Elementor, global colors and global fonts. If you want your website design to look clean, consistent and professional, you must learn this. Let's get started. Most beginners manually set colors and fonts every time they edit a heading, button or section, but that's slow and messy. With Elementor's global style, you can control your entire site's colors and typography from one place and update everything instantly. What are global colors and fonts? Global colors and global fonts help you control the branding of your entire website. Update them once and the changes apply everywhere. Headings, buttons, text, icons, background, everything. Accessing global settings. To access global setting, open any page with Elementor. Click on this icon and choose site settings. Then you have a lot of options here. These are global colors, global fonts, typography, buttons, images, form fields, and a lot more. How global colors work? You will see default colors like primary, secondary, text, accent. How to change or add global colors? If you want to change this primary color, you just have to click this option and change it from here. Or if you want to add any custom color, so you can choose this option to add any custom colors. For example, maybe choose this purple and name it as LearnWeb Academy. You can write any name that you want over here. Let's save this and let's go to the page again. And maybe let's choose a heading here. And now if I want to change the color, global color, to the color that we have selected, it has now changed. And if I want to publish this page, you can see that this is the color now. But let me show you something. If I want to change this color to somewhere like orange and save this, now you can see the color automatically changed over here. Why global colors are powerful? No need to remember hex codes or RGBA values. Easy rebranding, consistent website styling, faster design workflow, perfect for long-term projects or client websites. Now we have seen global colors, let's go into global fonts. The same thing applies over here as well. You can see primary, secondary, text and accent, and you also have this custom font. So let's name this as LearnWeb Academy. And then maybe choose a different font over here. Maybe let's go for Urbanist and maybe do this 32 pixel and 700. Now let's save this. Now if I want to change the typography of this, we can just go for this and publish it. Now you can see the font already changed over here, but if we want to change it again, you can change it from here. Now if you want to change maybe Roboto or change the sizing of this font maybe to this 12 pixel and save it. Now you can see that this already changed. Now you can see that this also got changed. And similar thing applies to all this typography. If you want to change the color and the paragraph spacing and a lot of things, so you can do it from here. Same goes with the buttons as well, and the images. For example, if you want certain border radius in the site, so you can choose, or if you want a border, solid border, or a double maybe, so that you can also do. So this is how global colors and global fonts work. Let me tell you some of the common mistakes to avoid. These are manually setting colors everywhere, using too many random fonts, ignoring global settings and editing per widget, not checking mobile typography, forgetting to save changes in site settings. So let's summarize all this. Global fonts control site-wide typography. Updating once updates everywhere makes your website consistent and professional. And that's how you use global fonts and global colors in Elementor. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy and hit the bell icon. See you in the next videos.